Hello everyone, Michigan Railfan 57 here. I finally managed to get this video done and out. I know, it's almost 2 months late, but I was on vacation for a while and had a lack of motivation to edit videos. I'm sorry for the long delay, but finally, here's Trains of Memorial Day weekend. We started at my signature spot along the CSX Saginaw subdivision, where I had heard on the scanner that something was coming out of Plymouth. It turned out to be SD40-3 4286, which had been working here for a while, heading light engine south, probably to Wayne.
Oh, that's just the engine.
The next train was CSX L313, the Lake State Railway train from Walbridge, with a freshly painted SD70M trailing. Even though the Lake State Railway train is classified as a local, it is usually the size of a manifest. As the Lake State Railway train passes, I'll tell you guys the reason I was out so much. I had heard that there was a very special train that was coming up the Saginaw sub. This train was Manifest M510, a mixed rate that runs from Cincinnati, Ohio to Detroit, Michigan. Now, the thing that made this train special was that it had CSX 3194, the Spirit of Law Enforcement, leading. Not only does it have an awesome paint scheme, it also has an amazing and unique horn, a Leslie RS5T, one of the best sounding horns on the railroad. This was already crazy enough, but to make it even rarer, CSX 1982, the Seaboard System Heritage Unit, was on the same train. To say I was excited was an understatement. The Saginaw sub hardly gets special power, with the occasional Mac or YN2 being the best you'll most likely see, so this was crazy. As L313 ends, this would be the last train I caught for today, as it was getting late and I needed some sleep. Saturday, I was up bright and early, hoping that M510 didn't pass by while I was sleeping. I was chilling in the kitchen when I heard the distant sound of an RS5T horn. I was out the door so fast I couldn't even grab my camera. I was just relying on my phone. I was sprinting as fast as I possibly could and arrived to the tracks just in time. There he is. I could not believe this. I had managed to get not one, but 2 special units on the same train, and got an amazing recording of that lovely RS5T. This made my day, but my day wasn't done yet. I was also going to Greenfield Village to get some footage of Edison. Edison is a 440 American type, originally built as an 040 in the 1870s. It was given to Henry Ford by Thomas Edison, and Ford rebuilt it to look like a 19th century 440. It was restored to operation in the 1970s and has gone through many cosmetic changes, but now resembles an early 1900s 440. It easily has the best whistle of all the Greenfield Village engines. I didn't have my tripod with me again, and my phone ran out of storage, so I had to use my camera with my very shaky arms. This first shot, however, I placed it on a fence at Firestone Farm so that it could be steady. The shot actually turned out pretty good. The next shot was of Edison arriving at Smith's Creek. The camera was being difficult, so this shot was not the best. My next shot of Edison was by the Thomas Edison statue. It was pretty shaky, but the crew was very friendly. After this, my next shot was near the covered bridge. My final shot of Edison would be at Firestone Station while it departed. easily the best shot I got of it at the village. I would take a break from railfanning until Monday, when I caught 2 trains. This train was I-150, a northbound intermodal from North Baltimore, Ohio to Detroit, Michigan, with a single AC44 leading. A little later, I caught I-150's southbound counterpart, I-151, with a rebuilt AC44 on the point, going a lot faster than its northbound counterpart. This would be the final train I caught during the weekend. Wow, what a weekend this was. From catching heritage units to catching steam at the village, it sure was a weekend to remember. Thank you all for watching. This is Michigan Railfan 57 signing off. Have a good day.